we're going to go over how to analyze the differences between values using a dependent t-test. In this particular example, we're going to look at salary at the beginning and current salary and see if the changes in salary are statistically significant different from this whole population. So from here, I go to Analyze, Compare Means, and I click on Paired Sample t-test. And note here, I'm going to put in current salary as my first variable and beginning salary as my second variable. And I hit OK. And here we can see with the t-test results that there is a statistically significant difference in current salary from beginning salary. T of 473 equals 35.04. P is less than 0.001. Now, if I want to compute effect size, I don't use the same formula for an independent t-test. I use these values here. And I'm just going to show you where these values come from. You'll notice that the mean here is not the means here, and that the standard deviation here is not the standard deviations here. Or where'd these come from? Let me show you. If we were to create a new variable called salary difference, and I'll just show you how to do this here. I go to, I just create a new variable name. I can call it anything. I could call it Bert if I wanted to, but I'm going to call it salary difference. And I'm going to say it's computed by current salary minus the previous salary, or the beginning salary. And I hit OK. And notice down here I have a new column. And if I click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, this is going to compute the mean and standard deviations of my new variable that I put in here. And I hit OK. And notice the mean is 17403.48, and hey, we have that value here. And the same thing for the standard deviation. So this is the mean of the standard of the differences of each value, and this is the standard deviation for those differences. Now, if I want to compute a Cohen's d, all I do is take those values that SPSS gave me. I go 17403, the mean difference, divided by the standard deviation difference, 108.14.62, and that gives me a Cohen's d of 1.61. Hence, that's a really large effect size. It's greater than 0.8. It's 1.61 is over 1.5 times or 1.5 standard deviations difference between current salary and beginning salary. So that's quite a large effect. So that's how that works. I hope this tutorial was helpful.